Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the caller ID announcement on your phone. So if you want to hide your number when you are calling someone on your phone and your phone number won't be shown on their phone or on the callie, this is what you are going to do. First, you need to go to the phone menu at your phone, and then here click on the three dots icon and go to the call settings. Then in here you'll see there's this option, display number when calling. So if you want to hide your number, you need to turn this off, and then you can scroll down again until you find the caller ID options. Okay, so the caller ID in here, you can set whether to show your phone number to the callee or not. Here you need to click on this. As you guys can see, the current settings on my call settings is show number. So if you want to disable or hide your number, just click on hide number. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.